Babao.
Mejaha Babao is my name. Chibok Dambuwa Goza Federal Constituency is where I represent. Mr. Speaker, honorable members, I have the privilege of listening to some commentators immediately after presidential presentation of appropriation bill. Most Nigerians have the impression that the budget is outrageous, is over-ambitious, is the highest figure recorded in the history of the country, but without taking into cognizance the following things or issues. One, the exchange rate. This shows that had it been the price of a dollar is less than 300 naira, as recorded in the past, this budget content is going to be less than 10 trillion naira. Another thing, there is a standard measure or a yardstick used to measure whether a budget is too much or too little, where expenditure is too much or too little. That is public expenditure to GDP ratio. Public expenditure to GDP ratio in Nigeria is still within the ratio of 12%, which is the least in Africa. The average in Africa is 22%. But today we are recording 12% ratio. That is public expenditure to GDP ratio. Another thing, I want to emphasize on the issue of debt, collecting loans from one angle to the other. In as much as the loan can be used for the purpose intended, particularly in area of security, infrastructural development, and other relevant areas to attract both domestic and foreign direct investment, there is nothing wrong with that. No country that is not indebted all over the world, United States of America inclusive. So if America can have the highest number of debt globally, there is nothing wrong if Nigeria can borrow to service budget deficit, particularly if the loan can be used for the purpose intended. Thirdly, with regards to allocation, particularly on our roads and other related infrastructure, Mr. Speaker, if you go through the content of the budget, you realize that a road that was awarded no, I only use 1 minute. I'm the time conscious.
Chief Whip is warning you.
Okay, sir. A road that was awarded at the cost of 30 billion naira, only 300 or 500 million naira is allocated. It's like you are telling the contractor to go and spend the money. So there will be no impact. As rightly suggested by other commentators, let it be mopped up together and put in a strategic road in every geographical location of this country in order to have result. Lastly, Mr. Speaker, honorable members, I want to comment on the implementation of funding the budget 100%. Executive deserves commendation, but it's one thing to fund budget 100%, is another thing to have impact of that particular funding 100%. As legislators, the president is encouraged in this 9th assembly because of the cooperation and solidarity he had from National Assembly. He was encouraged to present a budget at least 3 months preceding the time of December. And we do everything within our limit to make sure that we pass it from January to December. This is exactly what encourages the president. But the problem where we have problem now is the implementation. 100% fund can be released to an MDA, but it's another thing for them to implement 100% before the end of December. Mr. Speaker, we should increase our level of oversight function as legislators for posterity to judge us kindly. Thank you so much for listening.
Thank you, Honorable Baba. The last point you made is very critical, and it was made earlier, I think it was by the minority leader. in terms of the difference between budget releases and implementation. And we need to look critically at the MDAs, and that's going to be very, very important. And we need to use this budget and to measure them against whether they've been able to perform in the last budget or not. Thank you very much.